Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The DJI Mini series, renowned for its featherweight design and powerhouse performance in the sub-250G drone class, is poised for a quantum leap. With the DJI Mini 5 Pro on the horizon, recent leaks, insider info, and spy shots are painting an incredibly clear picture of what's next, making this a potential game-changer for drone pilots, travel vloggers, and content creators. From advanced cam systems and AI upgrades to aerodynamic enhancements, here's your ultimate leak breakdown. 1. Leak timeline and key images. On June 18, tipster Igor Bogdanov dropped the first leaked image, featuring what looks like a rigid, one-piece propeller design with guards. That caused community buzz over possible loss of foldability, a core appeal of mini drones. Just 2 days later, leaked footage surfaced via Maro Tandoy's helmet cam clip. That showed foldable propellers and no fixed guards. It confirmed those earlier prop protections were likely optional, and prototypes may still be in flux. This corroborates multiple rumors, including Jasper Ellen's December 2024 leak of a quick-release, single-pin motor hub, making tool-free prop swaps a breeze. Point 2. Design evolution and materials. Color and build. Unlike the Mini 4 Pro's light gray shell, the Mini 5 Pro shows a darker, Mavic-style matte gray finish, suggesting a more professional aesthetic, harkening back to the Mavic Mini lineage. Arms and propellers. The new rounded arms cut wind drag, improving stability. Foldable props now sport quick-twist release hubs, an evolution towards tool-less maintenance. Prop protection, likely optional clip-on guards, for safe indoor or Category 1 compliant flights, remnant of DJI flip-style safety cages. 3. Weight and Category 1 compliance. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to remain under 249 g, keeping it exempt from most regulatory hassles. FCC filing leaks highlight upgraded antenna and propeller guard systems, targeting FAA Category 1 compliance for safe flights over People 4. Radio, transmission and flight range. FCC docs reveal a revamped multiband radio operating on 2412 to 2462 MHz, 802.11 b divided by g divided by n, DSSS, CCK, 64 QAM. The expected 25 km (15.5 miles) transmission range marks a massive upgrade over Mini 4 Pro, confirmed in recent system leaks. 5. Battery boost and endurance. FCC paperwork also confirms a 33.5 Wh, almost equals 4,680 mAh, battery, up from Mini 4 Pro's 18.9 Wh, hinting at 50-minute max flight times. However, retaining the sub-250G drone classification with that capacity will be a balancing act. 6. Camera, gimbal and imaging. Power sensor upgrade. Leaks point to a 1-inch sensor, upgrading from Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3, which means better low light capture, impressive shallow depth of field, and maybe 4K at 120 frames per second for cinematic slow mo. Gimbal design. ARM payloads look redesigned, possibly requiring optional prop guards for gimbal protection. Video leaks hint at wide-angle fisheye sensors paired with LiDAR-like tech for obstacle avoidance. 7. Obstacle avoidance and AI smarts. The bumped upper shell houses fisheye sensors for wider angle vision. Dual front-mounted LiDAR or LiDAR-esque sensors suggests DJI is boosting Mini 5 Pro's obstacle awareness. It may not match Mavic 4's full 360-degree system, but will likely surpass Air 3 and Mini 4 Pro. Coupled with DJI's new onboard AI chipset, expect smarter active track, spotlight, master shots, and scene recognition. Point 8. Modular propeller. Guards. Leaked images suggest lightweight safety cages, not built-in hardware. These detachable guards align with Category 1 flight regulations and enhance indoor usability without sacrificing portability. Point 9. Motors and cooling. Yellow tinged earlier. Motor leaks have shifted to new black units with internal ventilation. These will likely support higher performance and longer endurance while mitigating thermal issues. Point 10. Release date. Leak originally pegged for September 2025. The launch date has reportedly been pushed forward to August 7, 2025, per Jasper Ellen's insider sources. DJI is expected to release a cryptic teaser around July 31. Why the Mini 5 Pro matters. Pro-level imagery, 1-inch sensor, high-frame 4K video, and improved low-light, big upgrades for creators. Lightweight but mighty, keeping sub-250G weight with augmented range, obstacle avoidance, and battery compliance and safety. Category 1, ready with remote ID. You can fly over crowds indoors and outdoors with minimal regulatory overhead. Plug-and-play maintenance. New motor and propeller design for tool-free swaps, ideal for field use.